how to show or hide questions and feedback and stories notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show it or hide it easy and quick. First open VK and now go to Hub and then go to these three lines here and go to settings, then scroll down until you find here notifications, and scroll down, click questions and feedback and stories, and that's it. Here you can manage it. Here we'll find the show notifications. You can select none or all. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.